Hi, I'm Matthew Swan, and I'm part of the solutions team here at Uberall. Today, I'm sharing several pro tips on local pages that will give you some insight into how to craft location pages that rank on Google. To start out, it is crucial to marry SEO best practices in providing a great customer experience for the searchers who find your pages. Starting in SEO, keywords are the big buzzword that people focus on. What do I want to rank for? These keywords that represent your business, services, and location are important to incorporate in various places: title tags, headings, meta descriptions, and of course, the content on the page. Always beware of keyword stuffing though. Ensuring your site and pages are mobile friendly is a huge one. We see mobile search metrics rise and rise every year, so your pages need to follow that trend. Next is some aspects regarding your page speed. This doesn't only affect your SEO, but also your user experience. A slow loading page gives more opportunity for a searcher to click off the page. How can we make our page load speed faster? Optimize those images. That's just one of them. Core Web Vitals and Page Speed Insights are wonderful free tools to do gut checks to test your page. While you are there, check what those reports are checking for. Another one could be even leveraging caching techniques to aid in page load. Then we have schema markup. What are you telling Google about your business beyond what is just on the page? Structured data, as it's also known as, helps Google understand and display page information accurately. And for local pages, utilizing the local business schema type can give Google insight into the NAP info, hours, reviews, and more. On to customer experience. Have a goal for your searchers. What customer journey are you wanting to take them on when they arrive on the page? Make the goal of the page easy to complete, and that's the best way to convert. Less clicks for the user equals more conversions, but also it equals less opportunity for the searcher to jump off the page. And then we are back on the content. Create engaging content. Use those keywords in the right way. And this content should be relevant to the specific location, maybe even featuring the events, promotions, and services that the location provides. Also, please make sure that your local page URLs are tied to your listings. The pages and GBP listings will work in tandem and in harmony to rank higher. Google will use the link to reference information that is represented on the listing for validity's sake, as well as to scan the content on the page for search relevance. We want you to be the answer to the searcher's questions, so make it easier for the searchers to find your page. And last but certainly not least, use metrics and insights to track the ROI of your pages and locator. Views, bounce rate, average visit time, and clicks data can tell you an entire story of how searchers interact with your pages, and let those searchers guide you to what is sticking for them. I hope you found these pro tips useful, and if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop down into the comments below.